Professor, clearly we did get a record close, but we lost steam during the session. Some attribute that to lack of fresh positive news from the president's speech. What did you make of that speech?
I agree with Mike. I mean, I think trade is the most important news for the market. I think the Fed has been sort of taken out of the equation. I know that Trump was still complaining and wants the rates to be still lower, but I think they've gotten to where they're going to be. Fears of recession have gone down. So the traders are looking for a trade deal. And they were hoping Trump was going to say something. He didn't. That's why you got the buying up to the speech and then a mild sell-off afterward. But there's still no doubt the market expects progress on this, and it's just a matter of time. If they don't get it, it'll be a big disappointment.
Barbara, do you agree with that sentiment? Think we're in a holding pattern until we move further, but if we don't get news, watch out below?
Totally. I agree with the professor because I think we're incorporating our assumption on trade is that the worst is over. And I'm not so sure that's the case, given what we've seen. Maybe it is. I'm acting like it is. But I think also another important part here is sentiment has been so negative. I mean, it wasn't just a few months ago that we thought everybody thought we were going into recession. You saw the Barron's, the big money poll where it was the lowest number of bulls in a couple of years, the highest number of bears since the mid-90s. So that's a good thing. So there's a lot of cash in the sideline. I think that's what Mike was talking about. What he's seeing going on underneath the surface.
Yeah, I do think that's been the positive, although today's Merrill Lynch Fund Manager survey showed you that has come back a little bit. So there has been a chase, one of the biggest jumps in bullish sentiment from these professional investors in a one-month period in a long time. It's not over bullish. It's not that people have made very aggressive bets for a huge rally here, but I do think that you're starting to see the market itself drag people's opinion in a positive direction.